project number 3 for the DWSRF projects installs a 24-inch water main just north of Brewer Street. We will be installing right at 3,600 feet of 24-inch main from an old abandoned pump station just north of Brewer Street to the intersection of Brewer and Hickory Street. That is approximately 3,600 feet, 24-inch line. Once that line gets in place, we will be able to abandon the cross-country line that goes from the old pump station up to Skyline Tower. We expect construction to start right around the end of March. That one is scheduled for 90 days. Project 3 cost is a little over $1.4 million. The contractor was W. Brown Enterprises out of Durant, Oklahoma. I have worked with W. Brown before, and they are a very good contractor.